All right, going to work on scientific notation today, talking about what scientific notation is and how to do it. So scientific notation is a way to take a very large number or a very small number and put it into a compact form. So you're always going to put it into a form where you have a digit, like say a 5, a decimal, and then the remaining important digits. And then you're going to have a power of 10. And the power of 10 tells you where the exponent of the power of 10, which is going to be right here, tells you where the decimal used to be. So when you get all finished, you're going to have a digit, a decimal, remaining digits, and a power of 10 that helps you to see where the decimal used to be. So let me erase this, and then we're going to go ahead and do a couple of these. Okay, here are some examples that I want to show you. And let's go ahead and do a couple of these. So the first one here, you have 90.63. So when you look at this, you need to realize that you want your decimal to be after the first whole number. So you're going to move your decimal over 1. So it's going to be 9.063 times 10 to the, you move the decimal 1, and since you moved it 1 to the left, it's going to be a 10 to the first power. You moved it 1 to the left. When you move it to the left, you're actually making it shorter, and you're using that 10 to represent each decimal place you move it is 10, another 10, another 10 as you go across. So if you move it to the left, it's going to end up being a positive exponent when you finish. If you move it to the right, it will be a negative exponent. So the second one, you're going to need to move this decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Why there? Because you want to have 6.85. You want the 6 and then the decimal. Always a digit, then a decimal, and then a power of 10 that reminds you where it used to be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4 because you just moved it to the right. This next one, you need to find the decimal. Remember, on all measurements, the decimal is at the end if it doesn't show. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.00016 times 10 to the 5th power. Now, if this is asked to be rounded off, then you could round it off to whatever, say 5.0 times 10 to the 5th power. This last one, you just need to move it over 1, 2, 5.013 times 10 to the 2nd power, and the units are still the same. That hasn't changed for each of these. The units stay the same. It's just a way of writing a number that's more compact in some cases. And here you notice we left all the digits unless it's to be rounded off. If it's to be rounded off, then you go ahead and round it off. So if I was to round that off at the tenths, I would call this answer 5.0 times 10 to the 2nd. All right, that's how you do it.